In this video, we're going to go over the structure and function of the subscapular vein. Firstly, where is this vein located? The subscapular vein is located in the shoulder region on each side of the body. If we take a closer look at the veins on the interior view of the right shoulder, we can see the subscapular vein highlighted in red. Where does this vein originate? This vein originates with the union of the scapular circumflex vein and the thoracodorsal vein. The scapular circumflex vein can be seen here highlighted in yellow, and the thoracodorsal vein highlighted in green. What is the course of this vein? This vein has a short course. It runs superiorly for a short distance before ending by draining into the axillary vein. The axillary vein can be seen here highlighted in yellow. What is the function of this vein? This vein primarily functions in the transportation of deoxygenated blood from the scapular region of the back. From here, the blood drains into the axillary vein and onwards on its way back to the heart. And that concludes this video on the structure and function of the subscapular vein.